Weak ejaculation causes. Daily stress and work pressure are the leading causes of weak ejaculation. This problem has become so common nowadays. Most of the men face this kind of problem. It increases frustration and stress. People become physically weak due to this disease. They lose energy to work. It can lead to psychological disturbance. Males suffering from this problem should take proper treatment and precautions. Herbal treatment for weak ejaculation is the best option to overcome this problem. Studies have shown that almost 40% of men are the victims. Weak ejaculation leads to unsatisfactory life and relationship. This problem arises due to many causes. Some of them are hormonal disorder, anxiety, guilt, injury, depression, and some medication side effects. It is also called premature ejaculation. It is the most common male problem. It implicitly resists the growth of a family. If someone is suffering from this problem, he should take the necessary steps to get rid of this. An uncontrolled ejaculation is the most common symptom of this problem. In this case, ejaculation takes place before the male wishes. One can obtain good results from herbal treatment for weak ejaculation. In this video, you will know how to boost sperm count and increase fertility in men. Natural solution. Night Fire capsule is regarded as the best herbal treatment for weak ejaculation. This capsule is formulated in a completely natural way. This capsule contains pure herbs that cure this problem efficiently. The ingredients used to make this herbal supplement are long, salab misri, jaifal, sarpgunda, akarkra, kesar, dalchini, gold patra, and jaypatri. These natural herbs are potent and have no side effects. These ingredients also help to improve one's immune system and cure hormonal disorders. They are also effective in enhancing one's physical strength. It also encourages one's body to absorb nutrition and treats circularity disorder. Anyone can use the Night Fire capsule as the most effective herbal treatment for weak ejaculation. Physical exercise enhances the power of this capsule. This capsule is very affordable. If you want to know how to get Night Fire and Musli Strong capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Increase ejaculation strength and force. Herbal treatment to increase ejaculation may be considered the best method. Combining the intake of Night Fire capsules with Musli Strong capsules makes this weak ejaculation cure even better and quicker. Musli Strong Male Stamina Enhancer supplements contain herbs that nourish, energize, and make the body enduring and firm. These enhance the supply of nutrition and oxygen to all body cells and make tissues stronger and healthier. These increase ejaculation strength and distance to many great extents. These revitalize all the organs and improve all the body's systems by supplementing vital nutrients in optimum dosage. This capsule contains asparagus ascendens, Musli safed, Bombax malabaricum, Musli semel, and Curculigo orchioides, Musli sia. These are regarded as powerful herbs that help to cure impotence and enhance one's physical energy. This capsule is a pure natural pill, and there is no side effect of using it. In other words, this capsule is one of the best natural treatments. People suffering from weak ejaculation or impotence can go for these remedies for an effective outcome. These capsules also ensure sound sleep. World's finest male fertility pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Night Fire capsules and Musli Strong capsules from ayushremedies.in. The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.